Coming next, what types of the files should be supported? First of all, again, this should be executables, but what about the doc files? Normally, in the pre-Microsoft blocked all VBS scripts, it would be important to also detonate doc files, Excel files, and everything. Now it seems less relevant because of the mark of the web and all those things. We don't see much of this in the wild. However, we shouldn't forget that all of such files can contain some actionable content which cannot be just the VBS. And I'm talking here, for example, about URLs. What about the file that contains a URL that you can open? Or even more recent example, what about the file that contains a QR code? The PDF with QR code inside. We all know about this QR code related to the question story, which is more than a year out there already. We still see a lot of question in the field, and now question is more and more delivered as an attachment, as a part of the PDF, a part of the Word, or with some latest research, even as the part of the corrupted Word file that should be properly processed, analyzed, the content should be extracted and detonated by the sandbox.